फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे। बड़ी ही इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। बैंक पेंशनर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड एज वेल एज फॉर द बैंकर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। 12th बीपीएस के रिगार्डिंग है, फॉर द पेंशनर्स है। इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट फॉर ऑल। प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करना, इसको शेयर कर देना दोस्तों, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन रिलेटेड अपडेट्स के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन अपडेट एज वेल एज बैंकर्स के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे दोस्तों। दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई डोंट नो इन विच डायरेक्शन दिस थिंग्स आर मूविंग, सो आई शेयर कन्विंस। दिस इज द अपडेट। डियर रिटायरी फ्रेंड्स एंड बैंकर्स, यहाँ पे केवीट फाइल हुआ है इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट कोल्हापुर on Monday, the 11th of December 23, so that nobody from IBA and United Form of Bank Union, Labor Commissioner, DFS, Finance Ministry and RBI could approach the District Court, Kolhapur and even Bombay High Court, nor they can implement and give approval to 12th BPS or any pensioner issue unless the courts listen my lawyer's argument and resolves the residual issues of 11th BPS, and I shall convince my lawyer to narrate the genuine demands of retirees through his arguments, and my lawyer shall emphasize the following points in his arguments. The caveator most respectfully brings to the notice of this court that under RCS 256 by 2023, on the strength of letter of Ministry of Finance dated 20th January 23, to Chairman of SBI and MD and CEO of all nationalized bank to initiate 12th bipartite talks. He has demanded stay on the 12th bipartite talks till the जो भी residual issues हैं of 11th bipartite are resolved. The talks were completed before 1st February 2023. Instead, the MOU is signed on 7th February 23 with a further assurance to complete it within 6 months, and it attracts contempt. Because in 11 months only 50 hours were given by system for this work and still it is incomplete. The MOU was signed on 7th December, assuring to complete it within 6 months' time, perhaps to allow the unions to collect more levy from the working employees. In the bipartite talks, the pension issue was also discussed without any authority that to instead of pension revision on RBI pattern, ex gratia and improvisation of pension was agreed and signed. It is discrimination with BEPR 95, which is illegal as per the Pex Court order in DS Nakara case. The order and many more Supreme Court orders say that discrimination in pension payment is not allowed, and in addition to this, the 100% DA neutralization, excess collection of insurance premium from retirees only instead of providing free insurance as per Khandelwal Committee recommendations and DFS letter dated 24th February 2012 in line with working employees is an offense. But IBA and United Form of Banking Union are continuously signing MOU and bipartite without any legal standing and consent from retirees. United Form of Banking Union and Under Secretary to Government of India have not appeared in this case, so IBA lawyer should back up from this case since he is being ex-SBI employee cannot take part in trial of this case. The joint note signed on 7/12 has no force of law, and this point has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court in BOB versus GS Pilani case. In case DFS, Finance Ministry, Government of India, gives approval to this MOU 12th bipartite agreement, then it can be implied that Government of India also is going hand in glove with IBA and United Farmer Bank Union, and it also proves behind dot that approval to prospective effect to every agreement has consent of Government of India instead of retrospective effects as per prevailing law of India. So there is no provision of ex gratia in BPR 95, and hence payment of ex gratia needs amendment in pension regulations, which is not at all possible at this juncture. So hence IBA and United Farmer Bank Union must approve pension revision as per the RBI formula, else prepare themselves for evaluation from the scene of bipartite talks. Mr. Basant Bankureji, retired manager Canara Bank कोल्हापुर. सो यहाँ पे एक केवियट फाइल हुआ है दोस्तों फॉर द 12th BPS, बिकॉज 12th BPS की जो साइनिंग है वो हो चुकी है फॉर द माऊ. सो उसी के रिगार्डिंग यहाँ पे 12th BPS को होल्ड पे रखने के लिए, बिकॉज अभी जो 11th BPS के रेसिडुअल इश्यूज हैं वो अभी स्टिल दे आर पेंडिंग. तो देखते हैं अब ये केस किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे केवियट फाइल हो चुका है फ्रेंड्स. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो थिंग है दैट इज़ रिगार्डिंग द एक्स ग्रेशिया, दैट देयर इज़ नो प्रोविज़न, यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रोविज़न नहीं है एक्स ग्रेशिया की इन BPR 95, and hence the payment of ex gratia needs amendment in pension regulations, and which is not at all possible at this juncture. जो BPR है उसमें एक्स ग्रेशिया की प्रोविजन ही नहीं है. सो देखते हैं इस केस में क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली एंड व्हाट विल हैपन हेयर, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. केवियट फाइल हो जाए तो स्टे लग जाती है, स्टे ले नहीं सकता कोई भी. केवियट तो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट डायरेक्शन की तरफ ये केस जा रहा है. आई शैल बी फाइलिंग केवियट इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट कोल्हापुर ऑन मंडे. So this is the update that we have here. So what will happen to the 12th BPS, we have to wait and see. So till then stay tuned to the channel and subscribe for latest banking and pension related updates के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें फ्रेंड्स. So that's all for this session and bye bye. Please take care all. So that's it, and please share this update.